Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we are taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram is featured in a red paint finish and is the sport trim. It includes features such as our chromed alloy wheels, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a 10-way power driver seat with lumbar assist, our black assist steps, as well as a spray-on bedliner and much more. First, starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, all of the controls for our power folding outside mirrors, powered window controls, as well as window and door locks. Throughout the door, there's some additional storage and a large speaker on the front. Just inside, off the left-hand side, is all of our lighting controls. And down the side of the seat, we can see that we have our power driver controls. To the driver's seat itself, we can see it's finished in a black leather cloth combo. Getting into the vehicle, you can see we have a push to start on the right-hand side. You can see our cluster gauge above our steering wheel. We have a digital speedometer in the center. Left-hand side has all of our controls for our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust what information is displayed where our speedometer is. Right-hand side has all of our cruise, as well as a gear down or up button. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment. We can see it has a hands-free system. We also have some additional controls for our mirror dimmer and our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. We have additional Uconnect apps, as well as climate control. Below it is our volume control, screen off, hazard lights, a back button, and a tune button. Then we have our climate below it, but we can also adjust that from our info system. Left-hand side is our shifter, as well as our transfer case settings. Then we have our ABS, or our traction control, and our tow haul mode. We have a storage slot on the passenger side above a 115 volt plug. Some storage at the bottom below everything. Then we have more storage farther back, a 12 volt plug, and a storage spot for phones. We have two cup holders. We can also see our key here. We have our locks and unlocks, as well as our remote start and a panic button. Moving to the middle, we can see our center console with a Ram logo on top. Opening it up, we can see we have two layers of storage. On the passenger side is an SD slot, a USB, an aux, and another USB. Opening up the second set of the center console, we can see that we have some deep storage. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's the same finish as what was in our driver's seat in our black cloth leather combo. Above the rearview mirror is the controls for our universal garage door opener, as well as our power sliding third window in the rear, and our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and wheels, we can see that we have a chromed finish with a Dodge center cap. Moving up, we have our power heated outside mirrors with our turn signal integration. We have our keyless entry paint match door handles, as well as our chrome and black assist step across the bottom. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our badging in chrome, as well as our trailer hitch at the bottom. Opening up the rear, just on the left side of the handle, is our backup camera. Opening it up, we have our tie downs on either side, as well as our in-bed lighting and plenty of storage. Now moving to the rear of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, window controls, and a large speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the cabin itself, we can see we have a storage compartment in both the driver as well as our passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have a 12 volt plug, and on the floor, two cup holders. Moving to the seats themselves, we have three seats, all fold in the back in a leather and cloth black finish. Behind the middle seat, we have our power sliding third window with defrost. Underneath the seats, if we pull up on the bottom, we can see we have underneath seat storage. And to push our seat back down, all we have to do is simply push down And that makes our space for 3 in the back of the extended cab. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.